when that's good and tight, there's a small lubrication job just down the side of the boiler where I'm pointing here, which I'll show you in a second. There's a small cam there that operates the self-clean mechanism. So I'll take some 3-in-1 oil. They recommend actual grease, but because you can't actually physically get your finger in there, it's impossible to use actual grease. So I just dribble a little bit of 3-in-1 oil over that cam that's there. And that really is it. Next we put in the insulation cap on top. And drop the lid down. And that's it, job done. Now there's one